So this is Christmas, and what have you done? Another year over, a new one just begun. And so this is Christmas. I hope you have the near and the dear ones, the old and the young. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. And so this is Christmas, for weak and for strong, the rich and the poor ones. The war is so long, and so happy Christmas for black and for white, for yellow and red ones. Let's stop all the fight. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. And so this is Christmas, and what have we done? Another year over, a new one just begun. And so happy Christmas, we hope you have fun. The near and the dear ones, the old and the young. The very Merry Christmas. Ooh, it's a good one without anything. And so this is Christmas, and what have we done? Another year over, a new one just begun.
Each year in December in Catalonia we celebrate the tradition that we call Caguetiu. It's a very old tradition that has been passed from generation to generation. We are going to explain that is it about. In early December, the Tio, popularly called Caguetiu, popping log in English, reaches all households and families used to place it in the living room. Every day till Christmas Eve, children used to give it something to eat, usually fruit or biscuits. On Christmas Eve, Before the family's dinner, everybody goes around the tío to make him poop.
First of all, the trunk is covered with a cloth. Then, children beat him with sticks while singing various songs of Tío de Nadal. When they finish singing, they raise the cloth to see what it has shut, normally torrones, traditional Spanish Christmas sweets, or other traditional food or drinks. This is repeated several times. Children have a great time, and also adults who enjoy seeing their joy. The last time the tío shits, children normally find sweets or little toys. A few days after Christmas, the tío leaves home to return to forest where usually live.
We also celebrate this tradition at school, especially in kindergarten. A big tío arrives in early December, and every day children bring him something to eat. The last school day before Christmas holidays, all the pupils in kindergarten meet to make the tío poop. They sing the tío song all together, and after this they feel very happy, because the tío shits lots of sweets for them.